Yes.
Panibagong araw, panibagong video na naman ang magaganap po ngayon. And para sa ating venue for today, nandito po tayo sa YJJ Events and Catering Services located here at Barhada. Katapat po siya ng Water District. So for today's video,
You just have to say our love was true, but it's not become my life. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye.
and dahil sa bilis ng transition is agad-agad na po tayong nakapag-makeup while waiting sa ating guest and sa ating kliyente for tonight. Yes, and this time it's already 6 o'clock na po ng gabi. But syempre, with my spinner, Ate Gwen. After ng kainan and after ko pong nagpa-game sa mga kiddos, and syempre it's time for the magic show. But this time, narata sa likod sa stage, guys. Ayan, side-side lang ta, video-video gamay para natay content. Syempre, ayan. And syempre, nag-perform po ngayon sa stage is si Kuya Ro, the Magician. And shout out po sa kanyang spinner, may pahay-hay pang nalalaman. And being a performer of the kiddie kids or kiddie party, syempre we will make sure na talagang magiging happy po yung aming kliyente and also magiging happy po yung mga bisita, most especially yung mga kiddos, but hindi po maiwasan talaga pati po yung mga matatanda is talagang sila po is magiging happy din po talaga. And this time guys, let's watch this video. Gustuhin ko mang iparinig sa inyo yung mga bahalakhakan sa bawat sulok ng YJJ's event and caterings. Hindi na po talaga pwede guys kasi baka makaka-copyright po tayo sa music po ni Kuya Magician. Alam niyo naman si Lolo Whitey is medyo strict po siya pagdating sa mga music. Kaya naman, tayo po yung mag-a-adjust since tayo po yung pumasok sa kanyang platform. Kaya we have no choice. We will mute the music, guys. And as you can see, ayan, syempre si Queer Road, pag nag-perform po yan, kukuha po talaga yan ng mga volunteer from the adults. Ayan, kaya naman guys, once again, sana po is maiintindihan nyo po namin na mute ko po yung music. Yung main music po talaga ng ating video, kasi nga, baka magalit po si Lolo YouTube. Yun po yung iniiwasan ko guys. Baka hindi po ako kikita sa video na ito. Charis. But the way guys, ayan, as you can see, yung naka-yellow po sa may bandang gilid, yan po yung ating daddy po yan ng celebrant. Go, let's go. Try natin tignan or iparinig sa inyo yung nagaganap ngayon. Alright, and sa totoo lang po guys, sa bawat event na na-attenan ko guys, ito po yung pinakamaganda at pinakamasaya kasi lahat po ng tao is nagpa-participate po, talagang sobrang happy nila. Yes, as you can see, sa bawat sulok po ng YJJ is talagang i-enjoy po yung ating mga bisita. Siyempre, kasama yung ating client for today. And super happy ko guys kasi nga nagko-cooperate po lahat ng mga tao na nandito po sa YJJ's event and catering po. And this time guys, I think this one is the finishing touch. Finishing touch of the magic show once again from the Queer Road, the Magician. And let's all watch this guys.
Ako isabay nga 5 kasab. Are you ready? Okay, the first one is second one is the third one is fourth is and 5 is 5 sounds altogether. Would you like to hear that? I said, would you like to hear that?
Yes!
And alright guys, again, super talented po ni Kuya sa beatbox. Nalimutan ko po yung name niya. Again, thank you so much for that wonderful and amazing performance na naganap po dito sa YJJ Events and Catering po. So guys, again guys, wala pong performer nagaganahan mag-perform kung hindi po talaga nag-cheer yung mga audience, yung clients, mga bisita. Again, dito sa YJJ guys, talagang lahat po sila ay nag-enjoy. Talagang this is a satisfied clients kasi may feedback po ako from the clients and talagang napapasalamat po talaga siya sa nagaganap na event dahil satisfied po siya with our service. And guys, yan na, pictorial, hindi po yan mawawala. And syempre, once again, happy birthday Vanessa Gia. Again, ngayon po is kanyang first birthday celebration and thank you so much the parents. Yan po yung kanyang parents. That was the client. Again, maraming salamat po, ma'am and sir, for trusting our team. And also guys, hindi lang po ang kliyente at mga bisita po ang na-enjoy po sa event na ito dahil pati po kami ng mga performers is na-enjoy po talaga ang event na ito. Once again, dahil po yan sa mga bisita and also sa clients na talagang nagbibigay po sila ng energy. And dito ko natatapusin ang aking vlog for today's guys. Once again, maraming salamat ma'am and sir for trusting us. And once again, this is me, Ate Machiabaliling. We would like to thank our suppliers, our magician, Kuya Ro, the magician, and also from the YJJ's Event and Catering for the venue, decoration, and also the food. Ayan, sa kanila po yun. Again, located po sila at Bahada. Yung kanilang area po is katapat po siya ng Water District, may 7-Eleven, may kanto po dyan pa sulod gamay and papasok konti daan po talagang makikita nyo lang po yung kanilang venue doon. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Ingat po kayong lahat. God bless everyone. Babush and paalam. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mwah, mwah, mwah.